Students, today will be start exercise 10.3. 10.3 is not you have solved. Okay, now 10.1 and 10.3. Before start the exercise, some important point will discuss to you. First point is what is the such that solid called the polyhedron. Polyhedron will the shape. They shapes. This is the polyhedron shape, but difference between the shape is base. They shapes are base and suppose a shape. Okay, and this is a shape. So this is a down space, means the area of the lower surface या face is equal to upper surface. This type of solid is called the polyhedron. Suppose they solids, this is the already solid, but the surface area is down face is a round and going on upside is a join the one point. This is not a polyhedrons. Okay, then it is an example of this box. Okay, this box is suppose this type of rice, they upsides and downside are same size. Okay, so this type of solids are asked the polyhedrons. Okay, there are two types, regular, convex and regular, and second difference will be prism and pyramid. Prism and pyramid are same, they are polyhedron. There you have see the down space and up space, they are same, it's called the prism. They shape be the down surface and up surface are same, this type of called the prism. But pyramid is down space is and up will be ending on the one point. Okay, so that is the pyramid. And polyhedron is a very important, is make edges, only edges. This side is this is edges, but downside is not edges, they are circle curve, that is the curve. This is edge, but this is the curve. This is not a polyhedrons, they are all sides is a edges, is use the sides not curve, it means this is the polyhedrons. Okay, first question, can a polyhedron have a for its face? Is the first three. So three surfaces means first will be down surface. Okay, or suppose one surface, second, they only three face. Suppose we will draw a polyhedron, this is not a surface, 1 2 and 3. Okay, the three surface is three triangles are not is sufficient, so your answer is, and 4 first you explain. Now 4, suppose one is triangles. Okay, this is the 1 2 3 and front is 4. Minimum 4 surface will required, minimum 4 surface is required to make is polyhedron. Okay, and 1 square and 4 triangle. 1 square, this is the down will be square, and 4, so 1 2 3 and 4, so this is the polyhedron. The answer is, you write the first answer will write is a polyhedron polyhedron cannot of for its face have how many? 3 triangle. Second answer is a polyhedron can for its face have how many? 4 triangle. Okay, and last will be third. A polyhedron can for its face have a square and 4 triangle. Okay, this is the answer of first question. Now second, it is possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces. Think the pyramid. You have see the pyramid is the pyramid in minimum 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 means minimum 4 side, 4 face will be required. So your answer is second answer is yes, it is possible only if the number of faces are greater than or equal to 4. Okay, the answer is yes, it is the possible only it is the number of faces are greater than or equal to 4 and less than 4 it is not a polyhedron. Question number 3, which are the prism along with the following? तो prism क्या होता है? That is the prism is down space and up space are same, or down space and up space are any one be change, it's mean not a prism. So that first is a given nail is a one surface is a circle and they are going on point of 1 means down and up surface are not similar, it means they are not a prism. Here will we see unsharped pencil will be up and down surface is a hexagon, here will hexagon in hexagon are same. Okay, this is the sharp pencil, they are say at this point is and here will be joint on the one point. This type of pencil is not a prism, but unsharp pencil is a prism. So your answer is yes. A table weight you see down surface is a rectangle but up space is a point, it's mean they are not prism. It is box, there is this type of surface of down. Okay, and up space is the same, down and up surface is the same, it's mean they are prism. Now next is question number 1, how are prism or cylinder? Okay, how are the prism or cylinder? Prism is you show prism is this type of this type of this down surface and up space. This is the prism, and cylinder are is down surface and up surface are same, but his is a curve. Okay, but they are like a same because surface are same, but they are short diameter will be cross करेंगे, that is means they are seeing here this type of upper is यहाँ से bend करेंगे that, फिर और bend करेंगे, this is the full round. Okay, so your answer is right is fourth one answer is right. It a prism becomes a cylinder and produced the number of sides of its base becomes larger and larger. Okay, now fourth B is how a pyramid is like a cone. You see cone of this type, and prism this type of prism. The one point are same and surface are suppose will be similarly to you break the down edges, they will go in the round. So its answer is right. A prism or a pyramid become a cone. Okay, then we produced the number of sides. This is number of sides they are produced in small cut and round. Sides of its base become larger and larger. Next question is a square prism, okay, same a cube? So this is the cube, or that is square prism. Square prism means this is the square prism, this is the cube, and this is the square prism. Okay, they are same, but this is the cuboid. Okay, because down surface and up surface are same, only change into length. So your answer is fifth answer is yes, it can be a cube, but it can be a cuboid also. I'll say this is the question number 5. Now question number 6 is called as verify Euler formula of this given two solid. This is the first solid this is the second solid. Okay, that Euler formula, first will we find the Euler formula is F plus V minus E is equal to 2, where F is a phase, V for vertex and E for edges. Okay, so this is the solid shape. If any solid shape you have 3 face, vertex and edges are given. Okay, they are not face, vertex and edges, it means this is not a solid. So first the proof, first will be face. You write F is equal to V is equal to and E. You have count face. This is first phase 1, 2 and back 3, 4 and that is a 5, because it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a pentagon. Pentagon is a 5 surface. So 5 surface, 6 down and 7 up. The total surface is 7 vertex. Vertex means the point join two edges. This is the vertex. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the 10 vertex edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 is a edges. Now write the formula is F plus V minus E is equal to 2. Okay, F is a 7 plus V is a 10 minus 15 is equal to 2. So this is the 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. 17 minus 2 is equal to 2. It's mean left hand side equal to right hand side. It's mean that is verify Euler formula. Okay, this is the solution. Next, first will we find number of faces, second will we find number of vertex and number of edges. Okay, here first faces, then down is a square cubes. Cubes is one surface is down and 4, that is the 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, so it's equal to 9 surface. Vertex means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, now put the value is F plus V minus E is equal to 2. F is a 9 plus V is a 9 minus 16 is equal to 2. 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. That is means left hand side value is a right hand side value. It's mean that is verify Euler formula. Okay, first and second. Now question number 7, using the Euler formula and find the missing value. That first face is not missing. Okay, that means this is the first question, this second question is the 3 question, and this is the missing number you have find by using the Euler formula. Okay, so now we first is you write formula is F plus V minus E is equal to 2 is a Euler's formula. Okay, now first is F value is not given. So suppose X is a not with X, that F plus V value is a 6 and edges is 12 and is equal to 2. Okay, now F after subtraction minus 6 is equal to 2 and f is equal to 2 plus 6 and f is equal to 8. The first answer is 8, means this is the value of 8. Now second, again you write f plus v minus e is equal to 2. Second is value of face is 5, vertex are not given, and edges is 9 is equal to 2. Okay, now 5 v is equal to 2 minus 5 plus 9. So v is equal to minus 3 plus 9, v is equal to only 6. It's mean the value of 6. And third is f plus v minus e is equal to 2. The face is given 20, vertex is given 12, edges is not given, is equal to 2. After add is 32 minus e is equal to 2, minus e is equal to 2. After transfer minus 32 minus e is equal to minus 30, minus minus cancelled, e is equal to 30. It's mean that the value of 30. Okay, question number 8, can a polyhedron have a 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertex? To using Euler formula. What is the Euler formula? The Euler formula is f plus v minus e is equal to 2. Now put the value 10, because f is 10 plus vertex is 15 minus edges is 20 is equal to 2. So that is a 25 minus 20 is equal to 2. After subtraction my only 5 is equal to 2, but 5 is not equal to 2. So it is not polyhedron.